Hello friends, welcome to my channel Suresh Coding Hub. In this video, we are going to cover the latest features we have in React 19 and with a 19.2 release. Okay, so these are the items which we have to cover, like components, include server components, client components, okay, actions, and these new hooks what we have received in latest React 19. So we are going to cover all of these features. Okay, so to make it easy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a one application employee management app which will look something like this. It will be having some employee form and it will be having employee cards with employee details. So with this application with the Next.js and React 19, we will try to keep adding one by one each features of React 19 and try to understand it, okay, with a proper example. So the question comes here, right? Why we have selected this combination of React 19 and Next.js? Because the features provided by React 19 supports very well to server components and action at the server side. So these all features it supports with the Next.js, okay, compatible with Next.js, and even this combination is very powerful and in demand currently into the market. Most of the companies when they start their new projects, they're definitely choosing this as the first option because of their features. So we already know React, right? How powerful React by its like virtual DOM features and its performance and supported ecosystem it is having. And on top of it, this React library, we have a Next.js which is giving advanced features to the React, like something server side rendering and routing, file based routing, and it's allows us the full stack capability to be added. We can write a backend code even at the Next.js side, and providing some optimization bundling to us. We can import them and optimize our images font. So basically I mean to say is this combination is very powerful, and what we will do in our next video, we'll create first the project of combination of these two and understand all these features one by one. Okay, so in next video, first we will understand the project architecture. Okay, and then we will see what is server components, client components, like one by one we will try to cover each of them. Okay, with this one app which is employee management app. Thank you.